Hey everyone, this is Joe in General, your resident reason and evidence enthusiast. This is your weekly Bitcoin price analysis update. It is Wednesday, the 17th of May, 2017. I'm going to keep this very brief because, well, a couple of reasons. One, nothing major has changed in the Bitcoin price and the analysis from last week. I think we're still on our way to potentially 2,300. But there's, obviously been some price movements in between there. We'll quickly talk about that. And secondly, I'm in Bali in Indonesia and I'm on holiday. So I'm going to keep this very brief so that me and my partner can go off to dinner and have a few drinks and have some fun. So, but what's been interesting actually is in the altcoins. I actually posted a video about 6 or 7 hours ago, and it was an update on a few coins, Bytecoin, Seacoin, AMP, and Recoin. And these two in particular, Bytecoin and Seacoin, after I posted that video a few hours later, there's actually been some really big price rises. So if you check out that video on my channel, Joe in General. You can find out more about that one, and then check out the previous video as well. It's a tropical update, just sort of giving you a bit of info about what I'm doing here in Bali in Indonesia. Now, the other thing very quickly is that I'm also doing Instagram mini updates on cryptocurrencies. So if you head over to instagram.com/joeingeneral, in between doing YouTube uploads on Bitcoin and other altcoins, if there's something happening in the price that I want to let you know about really quickly, I'm doing mini updates. So if you head over there and hit the follow button, you can get updated in between video updates. So quickly to the Bitcoin price at the moment. Of course, we're using the bitcoinwisdom.com website. It is the Bitstamp exchange and it's priced in US dollars. We had topped out so far at 1892, and we did have a retracement back down to this 1600 level. Now, the question is here, and there's a bit of indecision for me. The question is, are we going to revisit this old high here of 1350? And I'm not so sure now, and it depends where the price is going. So, for example, if you are a subscriber to Clif High and the WebBot Bitcoin price analysis, what he was calling for is a rise up to about 2,300 and then a several $100 retracement from there. That's what he said his webbots are predicting. Again, on the webbot thing, whether that's a real phenomenon or not, it doesn't matter. Mass psychology comes into play. It could be a self-fulfilling prophecy. But if it does come up to 2,300 and has a several $100 retracement, let's call it $700. So for example, well, that would take it back down to around about your 1,600, possibly maybe even 1,500 mark, or touching this new, what I'm now going to call bottom end of the trend channel. This was the old bottom end, and I'm going to delete that very soon. But this new bottom end of the trend channel, I think that's pretty well established now. So it could come down to 1,600, and I think that's, if it goes up to 2,300, it probably will only come back down to, I think, 1,600 or maybe around this bottom end of the trend channel here, and not visit 1,350, because that's a pretty darn large retracement from 2,300. Almost $1,000 back down. So if we do see 2,300 first, then I don't think we're going to see 1,350. However, go back in history and you'll see that we do tend to retrace to previous old highs. So could it be this particular setup where we have come up here to around about $1,900, and maybe we are going to see a 1,350 retracement, but it's going to come from around about this high here instead of a high of 2,300. Could we see potentially coming up to the psychological barrier of 2,000 and then a retracement to 1,350? That could certainly happen for sure. But again, if we are going to have a rise up to 2,300 first before visiting 1,350, then I don't think we're going to see 1,350. So that's where I think the price may be going in the short term. I'm going to keep it as brief as that for this particular weekly Bitcoin price analysis update. Of course, head over to my channel, Joe in General. A whole bunch of new subscribers in the last 8 days since doing a few of these videos. This one in particular, the Bitcoin price analysis next stop 2300, had a lot of viewers in that one, a lot of new subscribers. Thank you to all that have subscribed. And head over to the Poloniex website. If you are trading in altcoins, have a particular look at Coin, Bytecoin, although they have had massive rises in the last few hours even. And for more info on that, check out my my Bytecoin, Coin, AMP, and Recoin analysis. Check out Recoin. That's a really good day trading cryptocurrency in my humble opinion. And of course, once again, for mini updates in between my video updates, YouTube updates that is, head over to instagram.com/Joe in General. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to have a nice Balinese meal and a few drinks and have a fun time. So thanks very much for watching. Stay safe, stay informed. Speak soon.